In the realm of love and relationships, the Stoic philosophy offers invaluable wisdom on how to navigate the complexities of human connection with grace and resilience. One poignant aspect of Stoic teachings pertains to the notion of never begging for love, but rather allowing it to flow naturally. This principle, rooted in self-respect, autonomy, and emotional maturity, serves as a guiding light for cultivating fulfilling relationships while maintaining inner peace and integrity. Let's delve into 10 compelling reasons why Stoicism advises against begging for love and advocates for embracing love's natural course. In conclusion, by embodying the Stoic principles of self-respect, emotional freedom, and acceptance of reality, individuals can forge deep and meaningful connections built on mutual respect and genuine affection. Through embracing these teachings, one can navigate the intricacies of love with resilience and grace, finding fulfillment not through desperate pleas, but through the natural ebb and flow of genuine connection. Number 10. Self-respect. At the core of Stoicism lies the principle of self-respect. Begging for love undermines this fundamental virtue, as it implies a lack of dignity and self-worth. Stoicism teaches individuals to value themselves intrinsically, independent of external validation or approval. By maintaining self-respect, individuals uphold their integrity and honor, refusing to compromise their worth for the sake of fleeting affection. Moreover, begging for love relinquishes personal autonomy, contradicting Stoic ideals of self-sufficiency and inner strength. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of mastering one's emotions and finding contentment within oneself, rather than seeking validation from others. By embodying the Stoic principle of self-respect, individuals cultivate a sense of inner peace and fulfillment that transcends the need for external affirmation. Thus, refraining from begging for love aligns with Stoic philosophy, enabling individuals to uphold their dignity and self-worth while navigating the complexities of human connection. Number 9. Autonomy. Stoicism champions the importance of autonomy and self-sufficiency. Begging for love compromises one's autonomy, fostering dependence rather than independence in relationships. Stoic philosophy emphasizes the cultivation of inner strength and resilience, urging individuals to rely on their own virtues and principles for fulfillment. By begging for love, one relinquishes control over their emotional well-being, placing it in the hands of others. This undermines the core Stoic values of self-mastery and sovereignty over one's own life. Additionally, begging for love can lead to imbalanced and unhealthy relationships, where one party holds power over the other. In contrast, Stoicism advocates for mutual respect and equality in relationships, where each individual maintains their autonomy while sharing their lives with another. By embracing Stoic principles of self-sufficiency and independence, individuals can foster healthier and more fulfilling connections rooted in mutual admiration and respect, rather than dependency. Number 8. Emotional freedom. Begging for love often arises from a place of emotional neediness and insecurity. Stoicism encourages individuals to find emotional freedom and contentment within themselves, rather than seeking validation from external sources. By cultivating inner strength and resilience, Stoicism teaches individuals to rely on their own virtues and principles for fulfillment, rather than placing their happiness in the hands of others. Begging for love perpetuates a cycle of dependency and undermines one's sense of autonomy and self-worth, which is contrary to Stoic teachings. Instead, Stoicism promotes the idea of mastering one's emotions and finding tranquility within, regardless of external circumstances. By embracing Stoic principles, individuals can break free from the cycle of emotional neediness and insecurity, and cultivate a sense of inner peace and fulfillment that is independent of external validation or approval. Number 7. Value of virtue. Stoicism holds virtue as the highest good. Begging for love may lead one to compromise their principles and moral integrity, straying from the path of virtuous living. Stoic philosophy emphasizes the cultivation of wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance as essential components of a fulfilling life. Begging for love often arises from a place of desperation or insecurity, causing individuals to abandon their values in pursuit of external validation. This departure from virtue can erode one's sense of self-respect and dignity, leading to feelings of guilt and regret. By contrast, Stoicism encourages individuals to uphold their principles steadfastly, even in the face of adversity or rejection. By living in accordance with virtue, individuals can find true fulfillment and inner peace, independent of external circumstances. Thus, Stoicism warns against the pitfalls of begging for love, urging individuals to prioritize moral integrity and self-respect in all their interactions. Number 6. Acceptance of reality. Central to Stoic philosophy is the practice of accepting reality as it is. Begging for love can stem from a refusal to accept the present circumstances, causing unnecessary suffering and discontent. Stoicism teaches individuals to embrace the concept of amor fati, or love of fate, accepting both the joys and hardships of life with equanimity. Begging for love often arises from a desire to control or manipulate external circumstances, rather than accepting them as they are. This resistance to reality only perpetuates feelings of frustration and dissatisfaction, hindering personal growth and inner peace. By contrast, Stoicism encourages individuals to focus on what they can control, namely, their own thoughts, emotions, and actions, rather than fixating on external outcomes beyond their influence. Through the practice of acceptance, individuals can find liberation from the cycle of craving and attachment, experiencing true contentment and fulfillment in the present moment. Number 5. Focus on inner peace. Stoicism teaches the importance of inner peace and tranquility. Begging for love disrupts this peace by placing undue emphasis on external validation and approval. Stoic philosophy emphasizes finding contentment within oneself, regardless of external circumstances. Begging for love often arises from a sense of inadequacy or insecurity, leading individuals to seek validation from others to fill an internal void. This external validation, however, is fleeting and unreliable, ultimately leaving individuals feeling unfulfilled and discontented. Stoicism encourages individuals to cultivate self-reliance and emotional resilience, recognizing that true peace comes from within. By focusing on personal growth and self-improvement, individuals can transcend the need for external validation, finding lasting fulfillment in their own virtues and principles. Thus, Stoicism warns against the pitfalls of seeking love through begging, urging individuals to prioritize inner peace and contentment above fleeting validation from others. Number 4. Strength in adversity. Stoicism instills resilience in the face of adversity. Rather than resorting to begging for love during difficult times, Stoicism encourages individuals to face challenges with courage and fortitude. Stoic philosophy teaches that adversity is an inevitable part of life, and that true strength lies in how one responds to it. Begging for love in times of hardship reflects a sense of desperation and vulnerability, which undermines one's inner resilience and self-confidence. Instead, Stoicism advocates for embracing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, fostering a mindset of perseverance and determination. By cultivating inner strength and resilience, individuals can weather the storms of life with grace and dignity, maintaining their self-respect and integrity in the process. Thus, Stoicism offers a powerful alternative to begging for love, empowering individuals to navigate difficulties with resilience and fortitude, ultimately leading to greater personal growth and fulfillment. Number 3. Healthy relationships. Begging for love can create imbalanced and unhealthy dynamics in relationships. Stoicism promotes equality and mutual respect, fostering genuine connections based on love and mutual understanding. Stoic philosophy emphasizes the importance of treating others with dignity and fairness, rather than seeking to control or manipulate them for personal gain. Begging for love often stems from a place of insecurity or neediness, which can lead to dependency and resentment within relationships. In contrast, Stoicism encourages individuals to approach relationships with a sense of self-assurance and emotional maturity, valuing their partners as equals rather than objects of desire. By cultivating mutual respect and understanding, Stoicism fosters healthy and fulfilling relationships built on trust, communication, and shared values. Thus, Stoicism offers a compelling alternative to begging for love, empowering individuals to forge meaningful connections based on genuine affection and mutual respect. Number 2. Self-improvement. Stoicism emphasizes continuous self-improvement and growth. Begging for love detracts from this pursuit, as it distracts individuals from focusing on personal development and self-discovery. Stoic philosophy encourages individuals to cultivate virtues such as wisdom, courage, and temperance through introspection and intentional action. Begging for love often arises from a place of insecurity or inadequacy, leading individuals to seek external validation rather than striving to become the best versions of themselves. This focus on external validation can hinder personal growth and self-discovery, as individuals become preoccupied with seeking approval from others rather than fulfilling their own potential. In contrast, Stoicism encourages individuals to prioritize self-awareness and self-improvement, recognizing that true fulfillment comes from within. By embracing the Stoic principles of introspection and self-mastery, individuals can embark on a journey of continuous growth and self-discovery, ultimately leading to greater happiness and fulfillment in life. Number 1. Fulfillment from within. Ultimately, Stoicism teaches that true fulfillment comes from within. By cultivating inner strength and contentment, individuals can experience genuine love and happiness without the need for external validation or approval. Stoic philosophy emphasizes the importance of mastering one's emotions and finding tranquility within oneself, rather than relying on external circumstances for happiness. Begging for love often stems from a sense of inadequacy or insecurity, leading individuals to seek validation from others to fill an internal void. However, Stoicism teaches that true happiness comes from living in accordance with one's own virtues and principles, rather than seeking validation from external sources. By cultivating a sense of self-assurance and inner peace, individuals can transcend the cycle of craving and attachment, finding lasting fulfillment in their own inherent worth. Thus, Stoicism offers a powerful path to genuine love and happiness, rooted in self-respect and contentment. In essence, Stoicism offers profound insights into the nature of love and relationships, urging individuals to approach them with wisdom, self-respect, and inner fortitude. By embracing Stoic principles and refraining from begging for love, one can cultivate meaningful connections that enrich their lives while remaining grounded in their values and sense of self. As we navigate the complexities of human connection, let us heed the timeless wisdom of Stoicism and allow love to blossom naturally, guided by the light of virtue and inner peace. Stoicism teaches us to prioritize inner fulfillment over external validation, encouraging us to find contentment within ourselves rather than seeking it from others. By embodying the Stoic virtues of wisdom, courage, and temperance, we can navigate relationships with grace and resilience, fostering genuine connections that bring true joy and fulfillment to our lives. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to spread the wisdom of Stoicism. See you next time on our journey towards financial freedom.